we'll move on. You guys look good in the practice. So now we're going to talk about subclaims, and these examples obviously have a claim because you can't really support or write a justification for something without writing what your position is on a certain issue. But for now, ignore the claim part, we're just going to focus on the subclaim part. So a good subclaim would be Bob, pretend Bob's like a character of a story. He's selfless because he always prioritizes others over himself, which is a definition of selfless, but we will dive more into this when we go over like the evidence stuff on day 2. And then a bad subclaim would be cats are the best pets because they're good. The issue with this, as I think I've touched upon when we did the claim practice, is that it's super vague. It's one adjective, and good, to be fair, like the word good is super arguable. Like, what does good mean? And that's like super subjective, which I get. It's English, but the issue is you can't really write your essay without defining what good is, and that leads you down a big rabbit hole of like defining this, defining that, and like you won't get into your essay. So instead of like writing one adjective claims like cats are the best because they are cute or they are good, you should think to yourself, why are they cute? Or like, why are they good? Why are they the best pets? And you should try to put in something that's more than just a one like adjective description, so you have more to argue about and you have like more space to work with. And then here's what we also touched upon in the chat. It's just that Alice is not nice as all 7-year-olds are mean. This is problematic because it's a generalized statement. You can't argue that. Even if you're given evidence that 7-year-olds are mean and Allison is mean, you can't cross-apply that. That's not like a good way to argue, especially in terms of like English class. And this also leaves you less room to argue because you, like, what else are you going to say besides the fact that 7-year-olds are mean, Allison's mean, so they're both mean? That's really all you can say. There's no like analytics or reasoning that you can go through, which is super important to an English essay. So now we're going to do more practice. So send a good subclaim and also a bad subclaim, and then explain why your bad subclaim is not good.